It might not seem so, but chia seeds actually go back hundreds of years. In fact, it was the Aztecs and Mayans who talked first of the importance of eating chia seeds. Over time, this ancient seed grew in popularity until it became a popular superfood, albeit it was a long journey before that. Today, chia can be found in puddings, bread, smoothies, and many more. So keep watching to find out what happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day. Welcome back, viewers! Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They're rich in nutrients that can positively impact your body and brain, especially when eaten daily. For instance, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals. Want to know more? Keep watching till the end to find out. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. Boosts metabolism. Chia seeds are an excellent source of vitamin B, a nutrient that helps in speeding up metabolism. What's more, they're rich in omega-6, allowing the body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins better, which also contributes to weight loss. Number 2. Boosts your energy. Iron, zinc, B vitamins, and magnesium are the key ingredients in chia seeds that give you an energy boost. Simply add these seeds to your favorite smoothie if you need to recharge for the day. Number 3. Keeps the bones healthy. Another benefit of eating chia seeds daily is that it's rich in several minerals that are known for playing a major role in bone health, specifically calcium. Did you know that 25 grams of chia amounts to 157 milligrams of calcium? This is more than the amount of calcium you can get in 100 milliliters of milk. Number 4. Improve sleep. Melatonin and serotonin are the hormones responsible for good sleep. These two are actually produced by tryptophan. Luckily for chia lovers, they contain tryptophan. Therefore, it's safe to say that eating chia seeds every day promotes better sleep. Number 5. Lowers the risk of diabetes. Proteins, fiber, and unsaturated fats are known for being regulators of blood sugar levels. According to the Department of Agriculture in the United States, chia seeds are some of the most helpful foods in treating diabetes. Number 6. Stimulates weight loss. The fiber content in chia seeds gives you the feelings of satiety for long periods. As a result, it decreases your appetite, aiding in weight loss. Moreover, these seeds expand when they absorb water, further contributing to decreasing in appetite. Number 7. Prevents constipation. Fiber is great for enhancing digestion, and yes, chia seeds are rich in them. In addition, the insoluble fiber found in chia seeds turns to a gel when in contact with water. Such a substance improves your bowel movement, hence preventing constipation. Number 8. Sustains heart health. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3s and omega-6, which assist in lowering blood cholesterol, decreasing inflammation, and reducing blood pressure. All of those combined then promote better heart health. Number 9. Promotes oral health. Calcium has always been known as the bone nutrient, but more than that, it also helps keep the teeth strong and healthy. Apparently, this superfood contains boron that promotes strong teeth. Number 10. Slows down aging. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants. In case you don't know, antioxidants aid in faster skin repair and healing. Also, these fruits contain vitamin E, which helps slow down aging. So, do you now acknowledge that eating chia seeds every day is beneficial for your health? What are your thoughts on this? Share them with us below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.